How to enable Spotify Crossfade. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can enable Spotify Crossfade. For that, launch open the Spotify app on your device. Now, you want to tap on the profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Then from here, select Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Playback. Under Crossfade, you want to drag the slider to select the crossfade length. As you can see, the longest is 12 seconds. So you can simply adjust the length of fading and overlap in between tracks over here. Once that is done, head back. Now when you start playing, it is going to overlap two tracks by fading out the first while fading in the next. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.